but we've run out of liquid.
I don't know. You don't know that. Okay, back it up.
Back it up.
Okay, hold on. I have to change it to backup speed.
Hi Ahmed, دوره. Turn it on, okay? You see the speed's going up?
Oh.
The train is moving there?
Move your hands in the way.
Sorry. Oh.
Where's the train?
Oh, it's there.
Okay, stop it.
Okay.
Make it go forward.
Forward. Whoopsies. Now, I'm squished. You're squished. Now I'm squished.
Okay, keep going. I'm going to turn on another engine, right?
Cool, Yasmine, huh? Huh, Yasmine?
See the train.
Cool.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, the high speed train is working. Wow.
But this is the analog.
TGV, huh?
I love high-speed trains.
TGV.
Yeah, but this train super the train. You can start from that side or that side. Doesn't matter. There's always something.
Wow.
That's what high-speed trains are.
Yeah.
Why it doesn't go faster this one?
Here's another one that make it go faster.
Okay.
Ahmed, make it go backwards. Let me go.
The high speed? Ah, he wants to make the smoke. Okay.
The high-speed obviously doesn't have smoke.
I'm going to turn the
Show Chubby.
smoke off so when you put it, it doesn't
Wow.
burst out. Burst out what? The smoke. I want it.
Wow, Jen.
Putting your hands in.
Watch out, the train is coming. Did we put smoke? Watch out, watch out. Wow. Smoke.
And lots of it.
So you can go on top of the stuff, Safia, if you want to. Balak Yasmine.
But we can make any of those engines run.
Oh. Put the sound again. Jabby.
Mine ran out of battery.
That's it, and then mine is going to run out of battery as well soon. Watching Safia. How high speed train?
High-speed train.
Wow.
I have a high-speed train. Really good. Wow. How's the train one?
Oh, the second one is moving. Safia, look, the second one.
Oh,
Wow. Two. And then is this one working? That's cool. Can we make more working too?
Yeah. We can make five.
Yeah, you can make five.
Wow, Jabby. Get down. They're controlling that.
OT.
OT what?
I want OT.
Jabby, show.
Because OT would be too slow.
Which one? Safia.
That one's very slow.
So we can control every junction from
That's it.
there.
So how about this one? Does it work, this one?
It's real small.
Ahmed,
Oh,
you and I are going to run two engines. You're going to run one ahead of me, and I'm going to run
Yeah,
one
get that?
Okay.
Huh? Oh, look, Shushu. Oh, it's fast now. It's fast. It's not slow anymore.
It's going as fast as the first one. That was faster.
Wow, they're racing now. Wow.
That was too high-speed train racing. I didn't do it.
Jabby, show.
That's going to be right behind you. I'm gonna
Which
try
other
to-
one? Oh, yeah, the other one's working too.
Hey, then I need to speed up.
Oh, cool.
Slow down.
Oh, that's speeding.
Yeah, Jabby, show. Wow, this high speed train is really fast. TGV.
No, I think we have to put some smoke in it.
Doesn't have smoke. Yeah,
Doesn't
that's
have smoke.
because we have to put some smoke in
Okay,
it.
put some smoke in it. You have to stop that one and
مليح القطع جابي عجبك القطع؟
Where's your smoke? I want them to be racing. No,
Huh?
that's not.
Do you like this one? We'll buy one like this, Safia?
That's
Oh, it's slow.
Yeah,
Watch out, they're
put
going to
more
fall.
smoke in it.
Pushing, Yasmine?
Put more smoke in it.
Yeah. Woo! Push it, Daddy. Get up, Daddy.
Which one?
Push on. حبس, yeah. حبس القطع جاري. Put it backward.
You can turn off the smoke. Okay.
But watch out.
Slow ice. I-C-E like it.
Ice. Yeah.
Put some smoke. Some liquid inside to make smoke.
Now let it go.
Make it fast. No? You have to mix it 2 times?
No, I don't. It's just it's like an air pocket. Like an air pocket, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay. No, make smoke.
Okay.
Ahmed.
Turn that one on smoke.
Yeah, Ahmed, make smoke.
Turn the other one on smoke too.
Which one?
Turn both of them on smoke.
What makes it smell nice?
Beep, beep, Jimmy. Would the other one lost its smoke? You have to press the button to make it smoke?
Yes, make them both smoke.
Okay, make them smoke. Push it, Jimmy.
None of them are smoking.
Go to the
That one
smoke.
started. Make the other one smoke.
Just smoke, this one has smoke.
Huh? I know, but what about that one?
Yeah, it's supposed to smoke. I don't know why it's not smoking.
I think it needs more heating up.
I think it needs more smoke. It needs more fluid.
Oh, now I gotta stop again.
This one is smoking. That's okay, that's okay. We know it does smoke.
That one had a
See
lot.
how many wheels that one got?
Huh?
If you want to wheel that one, it's very difficult without that. See how many wheels it has.
Oh yeah, it has many wheels.
And the tender is connected,
Yeah.
so you cannot separate them.
Good job.
Thanks,
Good job.
well, my train wins the race.
Really?
Yep.
I thought the high-speed trains win the race, no?
No, me.
They're not that train. That's that train. That's that train.